Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful that is.
The sky's on fire.
That is so friggin' pretty. Oh my goodness.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Good morning. We are on our way to Hong Island, which is off Krabi, and it's meant to be beautiful. So we thought, do you know what better way to spend Christmas than on the beach, on an island, baby. So on the way, in the back of this luxurious ride. Oh, this is sweet. It ain't got no doors in the back, so that's alright. So we're the first people being collected right now, because I reckon we're going on a group tour. Well, that's up right there. But there's quite a lot of people out for Christmas Day. Sweet. We are ready. The day's beautiful. Blue skies. It's gonna be a good one. So before you get on the boat, you got to show your COVID pass. Then we have to make sure you're all nice and vaccinated. Let's do our temperature check. This is where we're going. Hong Island. So we have a future subscriber here from Korea.
Say hello.
I'm Julie from Korea.
This is the first island, Lading, I think. Whew, we did it. Here he comes. You don't need that second step. This is Lading Island.
We're gonna go for a little walk here. Let's quickly give you a little tour of the island. Can you guys see that? There. That is massive. Looking for something to eat. Wow. So leave me alone, guys. Let us know what that is. Comment below if you guys know. Is that a baby Komodo dragon? It's not a salamander though, is it?
And we just squeezed our boat in this. Well, there wasn't even space, but we made space. We squeezed. So we've come back on the boat. We're going to go to the next island now. Merry Christmas from Krabi 2021. So we are just getting off at the next one. This is Pakbia Island. Thank you very much, Captain Car. Good job. Wow. So we've come to Pakbia Island. Okay, and we are just going to walk along the beach. We have another like 45 minutes to an hour here, which is nice. I think we're going to just chill, maybe go for a little swim. So pretty. Like, these waters are so clear. I need this to be my home every day. Oh my gosh, there's fish. Fishies. This water is so warm. Mum, Dad, I think we're moving out here.
absolutely buzzing because I was able to put the drone up. So, oosh, sorted. That was a bit of a downer earlier when we went to Landing Island, and for some reason that it had an altitude lock, so I couldn't send it up. And yeah, that was a bit of a mistake, but we were able to do it here. This is Pakbia Island. Oh my gosh, the water is turquoise. There's a sandbar here, which is what we're walking on right now.
So cool.
This Christmas feels so different, like being out on the beach, warm weather. Wow, what more could you want?
Nice.
Loving it. Like, look at the water here, and it'd be sick to swim underneath there.
Oh, look at the fishies.
Wow, there's loads. So we've just stopped here because we're gonna have a lunch break before cracking on further. We were meant to go snorkeling earlier, but we couldn't because the guy said the water's not too clear, and he said there's another island where we're gonna go after lunch and snorkel there. So looking forward to that. This is unbelievable. Wow, that's one of the long-tail boats. This is stunning. Wow, look at that, all of the fish there.
Oh my god, that's mad.
There's just so many. Wow. It's things like this why you want to travel. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at this. There's loads. Oh, and there's little ones. This is stunning. And these limestone cliffs. Signature trademark of Krabi. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's go grab a bite to eat.
But we are going to have lunch here. We have an hour and 40 minutes. So we're going to meet back at the boat at 1 to go on to our next destination. But this place is beautiful. It's so pretty. There's like nature trails. There's also back there a sign for the blue evacuation route in case there's a tsunami.
I mean, our tour has gone back there somewhere, but we have to show you guys this. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh my god, I think you mean back.
Hong Island, people. The sand here is so powdery, so white. If you ain't got sunnies, you won't be able to see anything. It's so bright.
That is crazy.
How bright is it here?
It's so bright, like.
Oh my gosh.
You actually can't take your sunglasses off. But it is beautiful here.
She's all set up. We're going to show you what we have for lunch. So we've got fried chicken.
Fried chicken, the vegetable, chicken curry.
And some wraps.
Right.
So, as I was saying, there's a large communal area where all of the tours get together. And you can all sit down here and enjoy your lunch. And we are looking forward to it because we are hungry.
No Christmas dinner this year, but we have fried chicken, we have chicken with beans, rice and lettuce. So, Merry Christmas from us to you.
Oh my gosh, guys, have a look at that. It's like, have you guys eaten? Because it's his turn now, so he's coming to eat you. Oh wow.
That is so crazy.
Where else would you find this other than Thailand? Amazing.
Wow.
And it's just so tame, it's so used to like humans being about as well.
Oh, Katie's telling me.
Well, I don't know how fast this can run, because if it lunges at me, I'm done. So I'm not gonna get too close, because let him like just have fun and look for his afternoon meal. But we're gonna get in the water now.
Yeah.
And we'll take you with us. So come, let's do this. I wanted to show you guys what the sand here looks like. It's literally white powder. Like.
Oh, I don't think I've actually ever like felt anything like this. Wow. I can't. On photo GTs for this group here. Go on, girl. Work it. Good job. Good deed of the day done. Merry Christmas. Oh my.
How soft is that?
Oh my goodness. So soft.
This is the softest sand
I
that
would
I've
live
ever
here.
walked on.
I want to move here. Why was I not born Thai? Mum, Dad, why? Sitting on the beach, watching my honey swimming in the water, and it looks so nice. I'm so jealous. Oh, he's gone. There he is.
Our tour is not done yet. We're just done Hong Island, so we're on our way back to the speedboat. We've got a few more islands to do. Hopefully we're going to stop somewhere and get on with some snorkeling. But it's been such a chilled afternoon so far.
The best day and the best company. We are in Hong Lagoon. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. This is like stuff that you see on like your Windows screensaver. So we're just off, we're one of the islands off of Krabi. Real life lagoon. Wow. So we have just stopped at our last, I think, location. We are gonna go snorkeling.
Are you coming?
Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. But we can just see some stripy fish. Apparently, they're telling us as well there's some sharks here. Little ones, but there are sharks. I would like to see some sharks. That would be cool. And it's only cool because I'm not in the water. Are there lots of fish? We have just gone off the boat and we have
had the best Christmas ever.
We have. It's been so much fun. We've enjoyed it loads. We are just walking back to the car park now. We're gonna get dropped back at our hotel. I think we might freshen up. Then we're gonna go for a massage, a Christmas Day massage. And we are cream crackered actually. There's been a busy day.
Which is why we fully deserve a massage.
We do.
So we went back to the hotel. Our tour operator was kind enough to drop us back because that was part of the package. We're on the way to the beach. It's time for a massage. And we're gonna try and cross without getting run over. Go, 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 go.
Here is our massage spot, but this
Just under the cliff.
yeah, just literally under there, and then this is the beach. How stunning. And the noise of the wave is just so nice, so nice. But yeah, we are off to go and get a massage. Hopefully they do it nice for us, fingers crossed. Wow. Oh my goodness, excuse like the state because we've just had the nicest massage ever. But look at this sunset. We had this view the entire time and just look at how cool this is. Christmas Day on the beach. We've watched the sunset, we've had a massage, and we've been out to Hong Island. This has been the best Christmas. Definitely missed the family, but this has been unreal. We have absolutely loved it. You can see us doing a Christmas on the beach again soon. It's been so much fun. So I think we are gonna go and get some street food. We are starving hungry. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful that is.
The sky's on fire.
That is so friggin' pretty. So pretty. So we've just come to get some ice cream. This is what we are getting. 80 baht. Roll ice cream, chocolate, and coconut.
Here we go, here we go.
That is so cool.
We actually scooped it out of an actual coconut. Happy days! I don't think it smells good. It's literally like eating chocolate coconut frozen.
Let me try some. Don't go in for seconds. I want some. Look at the sauce. Ready? Bits of coconut in it. Really good.
And on that note, we're gonna end the vlog now because we've had dinner already. It was amazing. Sorry we were too hungry tonight so we couldn't show you what we had, but anyway, at least we showed you the afters, right? Showing you the dessert that we have in coconut chocolate ice cream. Quality stuff. But yeah, if you like the vlog, leave a comment, let us know what you guys think. Like, subscribe and share. That's the most important thing. If you could just spread the word, you guys know what you need to do, right? We will see you in the next one. Have a good night.